special Kimber, and we have training ammunition because we want to be in a safe environment at all times. So we have our revolver here, and then we also have a semi-automatic. Okay, this is a 9mm Springfield Armory XD9, and it's not loaded. So we do check in there. We have no magazine in here, and we are using training ammunition. So a lot of differences between both of them, right? So the first thing, those are the things that we talk about in my class. Those are the things that I want you to go visit my website, 559ccw.com, click on resources, and I have a guide on how to select. But the difference is going to be in maintenance and how it fits in your hand.